motherfucker, and I don't mind.
Is the god of goddesses. She knows it's where the lion lives. She speaks the spirits high and low. Her lips is where the truth lives. Often thought but never travel. Come with me and take a peek. I have the print, now listen, ravel. Time, all in the depths of our minds. Time to let our spirits talk. So sit back and unwind. Girl, come on. Moon Talk is on.
Chosen homelessness that brings
So I am currently
life with its own lingo,
watching videos of people backpacking, laying in bed.
a journey that will change your life in ways you can't understand.
I'm watching a documentary called The Art of Walking,
Completely up to you.
and I love the name The Art of Walking, which I've been practicing that art for a long time. I love walking, even in circles, but I want to practice the art of awareness through walking and being out in nature and just connecting with God in in a sacred space, in God's own space. You know, nothing like this. You know, it's one thing to sit in our rooms and pray and talk to God, but it's another thing to actually be in the face of God, right where everything that is a living is. And that's where I want to be, and that's where I'm going. But I'm about to get out of bed, and we're about to go to Dick's Sporting Goods because we have some things that we have to go for this trip that we are about to make. So I'll see you there. Now we are at Dick's Sporting Goods. Not gonna show too much of that because they're not paying me for this vlog. Definitely gonna need one of these to keep our drinks cool. So here are the book bags. Let's see, look at these tents. This can fit 12 people. This is for car camping. So these tents are for car camping. Look at these book bags though. I would carry this on my back. How much are these things? I'm gonna grab one just to see the price, because this is big. Here are some trekking poles. I'm gonna grab that. So I found this to go around my waist. Honestly, I can go to Walmart and get a regular book bag. I'm not gonna spend the money. That book bag was $149. Seriously, I'm not gonna do it. At least not for this. Always gonna need a small first aid kit. What's up, everybody? It's Lunar Moon with My Mind and Me Incorporated. And today, we're gonna hike Sweetwater Creek Park. I'm tired as hell. We are arriving to Sweetwater. As you can see, there's like hella water over there. Oh my God, I'm trying.
Prepare to park your car. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
Okay, thanks, bitch. There's water over there. But I need to figure out where to park. So this should be perfect. I have my car here. Backpack. It is so hot out. I'm gonna put let me lock my car. It has signs up everywhere saying that we should block our valuables out of sight, but hey, I have nothing valuable in my car. So the intention that I set today is just to have more awareness, bring myself just a tad bit closer to God, be more attentive, and to relax, just to hear the voice of God. All right, and we should be set. First, I have to go into the visitor center and get a parking pass, or I'll get ticketed. I ran into one issue so far. Look at me, I'm strapped up, got my water. I don't know how to get inside the visitor center now. I see people in there, I see exit doors. I'm just looking for the freaking entrance. And I have no earthly, this is it. No earthly idea what I'm doing. I have to get a parking pass. Oh my God. So good news. I found the entrance. start our hike. So I see people walking with bathing suits and towels. I have a bathing suit in the car. I'm not sure if I want to turn back and get it, but I'm definitely putting my feet in whatever water I come across where I see other people. Like, what the fuck? If I would have known. I decided I wanted a bit of a challenge, so I took a steeper route. It may not look like it's steep, but I can definitely feel this. And I mean definitely. I am taking a butt break. I'm fucking tired. Like, going up that hill is whooping my ass, bro. Like, I just wanted a bit of a challenge. I'm so glad I brought extra water. I've already finished this. I'm so glad I had a fruit juice this morning to give me this energy. Cause boy, this isn't even that bad. Like, all the YouTubers I see backpacking and hiking, and they're carrying those big ass book bags. And here I am with this little shit. Bro, this is a sport. Let's take another butt break. Right after coming up that hill. That bitch is steep. I am so tired. And I'm trying my hardest not to crack open another water. I'm currently slow strolling because it doesn't seem as steep right here, but you can see where this shit goes down. Trying to catch my breath. It's been about 45 minutes. Shit. And I really fucking hope not. Oh, I'm not. There's a trail. And there's also water. I don't know which way leads to where I'm going. We have now hit the 2-hour mark. I think I went the wrong way trying to get back to the car. And I feel like I've gone upwards towards the hill. I'm fucking tired. Do you see the deer? There's a deer. There's more. It's been almost 4 fucking hours. I made it back to the front. Yo. I can't even hold my phone. Everything from me leaving to, I just couldn't really record. So this is what happened. After about an hour and some change, I could not keep my phone in my hand. I just could not. It was just too difficult. Like, even though I wasn't carrying anything, it was just like I had, the less things in my hand, the more I could focus. And so I had to let go of my phone. But the scenery was beautiful. But I spoke to my sister when I got out of the trail, when I got off the trail. The thing is, the way God spoke to me was so subtle yet very clear. I just got this weird notion that I had to push forward. I had to go. That I had to see something, that I had to move, that I had to walk, that I had to sweat, I had to detoxify. Lately, God has really been trying to detoxify my body. I have to detoxify. And God said to me, I was talking to my sister this morning about David Cruz. I said, he walking because God told him to. And I went outside and I said, well, God, thank you. I said, you know what? I'm not David Cruz. I said, but you know, I am walking because the only reason why I'm doing so is because you instructed me to do so. And God said back, he said, I've instructed a lot of my chosen people to walk. Now, I don't know exactly what that may mean. However, I'm going to continue to walk because the way God works, the way my God works, if you are obedient to one small thing that he tells you to do, then the doors that will be opened for you by him will be astronomical. And so I'm being blessed, and I was put in a situation to where I'm actually able to walk and listen to God by myself. No music, no anything. I took fruit. I had so much water. Just being light, being full of this light energy, and just really getting in the face of God and talking to God. That is exactly what I needed. And I really overcame a lot of fears out there. At one point, I thought that I was seeing something. I saw it in the woods. I was the only one for like an hour and 30 minutes walking. And I saw a little girl afar in the woods, behind the trees. I want to say at least a good half a mile away from me. I saw, and a little girl in a red dress running and playing. And I heard her laughing very distinctly. But where I was, it would be completely impossible for anybody to be right there. And when I looked back, I saw nothing. And I began to feel fear rise up in my body. And God said, you wanted to hear my voice. I'm about to speak to you clear as day. Deal with it. So I told myself, I said, okay, we're not going to operate out of the spirit of fear. Because God has not given us a spirit of fear, but a spirit of a sound mind. So therefore, I told myself, I said, I'm not going to be fearful. I really had to deal with that within me. The claustrophobia when I got into tight spaces, the fear of not being able to move forward, getting tired and getting stuck, the fear of animals, the fear of hearing things and seeing things. I had to completely surrender myself to God and say, God, this is I'm finna just push forward. I told God, I said, I'm just putting everything in your hands. I said, give me your hands, God. Give me your feet. Give me your legs. Give me your eyes, your ears, your smell, your taste, everything, your mind. Make me like you. Make me like you. And I was able to trek forward. Like it was definitely difficult. A lot of times I wanted to stop. A lot of times I wanted to give up. A lot of times I wanted to just be like, hey, you know, somebody come get me. I did it. You know, I got really sleepy, but I just knew that was my body just like really, really working. So I just kept going. I kept going, and it was beautiful, such an amazing experience. And at times I was like, I'm never doing this again. But now that I'm here, I'm home, I was taking a shower, I'm definitely doing it again. And I'm taking y'all with me. You ready?